glare right here. You can see the shade. I just wanted to make this video, do an update on my trading career. So I haven't been trading. I haven't been trading with my own money. A little bit, light amounts of money. But I haven't really been trading this past week because I'm trying to pass a prop firm challenge. A friend of mine told me about this prop firm that he was using, and I've been hearing people talk about prop firm for the last year, but I didn't know what it was, and I obviously didn't want to be using other people's money if I didn't even know how to trade. So now that I'm about a year and a half into this my options journey, I started investigating this prop firm thing. Ended up signing up to this prop firm, TakeProfitTrader, and I signed up for the $150 a month for a $50,000 account. So let's talk about how that's going. So on the first day, I messed up. I really messed up because I didn't know how to trade within TradingView. So I think what happened was I was using an old mouse that I have here, this old mouse, and my son used to use this to play Roblox, so the buttons were kind of messed up. Or I really don't know. I can't tell you exactly what I did. I know I messed up, and I got into a trade by accident. I think I was playing with the. Let me just go ahead and hit, like, for example, buy. So yeah, I made the mistake of I was messing with the limit and the stop loss and the entry, and it entered a trade for me, and I didn't even mean to. I was messing with this over here, the limit, and it jumped in a trade, and I was just trying to see how much six contracts would be worth, just to see, because they said the maximum you could do on here is six contracts at a time. So I just wanted to see what I would be risking at six. So when it jumped in the trade, I jumped in with $1,875, almost $2,000. So the funny thing was, had it gone in my direction, I obviously wouldn't have claimed it as a mistake, but it really was a mistake. I didn't mean to jump in that trade. And the first day I lost 1,500 on the first trade. Then the second trade, I think I was trying to get some give back, but it was late in the day, and I shouldn't have did it. I should have just stayed out, and I ended up losing 1,800 on the first day. So I damn near blew the account on the first day, and because you can't lose more than $2,000, they give you $50,000, and you're supposed to make $3,000 to pass the test. And if you lose more than $2,000, you automatically failed. So the first day, I damn near failed on the first day like a fucking idiot, and I didn't want to trade because my family was out here, and I was like, I wanted to be completely focused. So I was waiting until after they left, and then when they left, I think I traded, and I made like 500. I think one day, almost 600 one day to recoup some of the losses, and then I got greedy and jumped in two more trades that day. A friend of mine got online, and we just started trading, and next thing I know, I lost damn near all my profit that day. So I was like, damn. I'm like, I pretty much failed the test. Damn. Look at ES. It's moving. Yeah, I was playing support and resistance this morning, and I really should have jumped in that trade, and I'd be up a lot of money right now. But it's okay because I don't really want to trade at this time. It's 10 o'clock right now, and I don't really want to trade. It's 1 o'clock Eastern, and I don't want to be trading right now. So, but look at that shit move. Look at that shit is moving. So, yes, I damn near blew the account on the first day, and I've been trying to recoup. So today I was able to profit. I was able to profit 790 today off of four trades, and you see my entries and my exits right here. You see right here. You see why I entered right here. I got a sell. I sold it right here, and then it dropped a little more. I ended up getting a buy. I sold it right here. This was the second trade, and then what is this? This looks like I got in right here and I sold right here. It looks like it dropped down here. Yeah, it looks like it dropped because I'm on a 15-minute now. That's why it looks like that. Yeah, I wasn't in these trades for long, as you can see. Not more. This one I got out in less than 15 minutes. I could go maybe to the 5 and show you. I could go to the 1 and show you a little better. But basically, yeah, I was in and out that trade. I was in and out that trade right there in less than 15 minutes. So, right, I think I made like a couple hundred right here, made 100 or 2 right here, another couple hundred right here, and then right here, I was like, yo, I had to go all in. I went ahead and put I didn't do 6 contracts, but I did 3 contracts, and I made a quick 200 right here. So this ended up adding up to $690 in 4 trades, and I should have got back in because I've been playing this support and resistance pretty well, and right now it's going back in my direction. As you can see, it was oversold on the 15 minute. Is my mouse working? Where's my mouse at? Yeah, as you can see, if you look at the RSI, I was oversold on the 15 minutes, so I was expecting a bounce back up. But especially when it stays in this oversold turf for so long, I was anticipating a bounce back. But I had made 4 trades, so I didn't want to be doing 5 and 6 trades because that's usually where I start losing money. And we're moving into the middle of the day, the trading day. So I'm just gonna come back tomorrow strong. I got 2 days left to pass this challenge, or I fell. Where am I at? Why is it not switching to this other screen? What's up with OBS today? Maybe I gotta tell it. I gotta tell it which screen I want to capture. Let me see. Oh, it's locked. So maybe I'll tell it. Hold on 1 second. Display capture. Display capture. Window capture. It's not what I want. Display capture. Okay, here we go. I just need to reset because I had it locked. Okay, so yeah, this is my take profit account, and as you can see, it says I traded 2 days, but I really traded 3 days, and this will be my 3rd day. So I need to make $4,000 in 2 days, which it really shouldn't be that complicated. I just been playing it safe like this was my own money, so I haven't been going into trades with 6 contracts. But I mean, had I went into trades with 6 contracts on each of my trades today, I probably would have made that in 1 day. Because I was only using the first 2 trades. I only used 1 contract. That was only about $320 per contract. Now what was it, about 300? Let me see the exact price because I don't want people to be like, oh, that's not the right price for the contract. The contract's only $312.50. So the first 2 trades, I only risked the $312 on them. The second trade, I think I doubled down and I risked the $624. And then on the 4th trade, I just went ahead and got 3 contracts and risked like 900 and change, and ended up working out in my favor. I was down like 450 at one point, but I was watching the zones. I was watching the support and resistance zones, and the trade ended up going in my direction. And I wish I jumped back in because I was entering at 6665. I just had another entry where I could have gotten back in, and if I went in with these 6 contracts right now, that would have been a $6 move. I probably would have made like another $1,000 right here, just off this move from right here to right here. Yeah, it went down to 6664 right here, and I could have got back in and rolled it up, but it's okay. And the indicator was on point, right? The indicator was on point right here, and I should have believed it. It was oversold in a 15 minute. It was a bounce back was due to happen, but I've seen it do this and continue down. So I was like, let me just call it a day. I'm gonna come back tomorrow strong. Look, damn, that shit is still going up. Like I believe it's gonna go back up here into this zone where we opened at. But I'm not trying to predict the market. I'm just trying to pass this test. But yeah, I could have still been in this trade, but this is the game of coulda, woulda, shoulda. But look at what it's doing. It's going out of here. This was my entry right here, and I could have really just been in a trade right now with that 1,000, and I really fuck around and could have got most of the money back that I lost today. But I'm not about to be greedy. 790 is a good day for the bounce back. I know I can make 4,000 in the next 2 days, especially if I'm going in with. I might have to go in with 6 contracts tomorrow. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go in with 6 contracts tomorrow and just try to make this money back so I can pass this test because I got 2 days left and I have to make $4,000 in 2 days. So either it's gonna happen or it's not. If it doesn't happen, I'll take the test again. I'm gonna eventually pass it, and I'll have this 50,000 funded account. I can start jumping in these trades with a lot more money. You know, like for example, if I went in the trade today with I don't know, I don't want to shoulda woulda coulda, but today I could have made a lot of money if I went in all in with today with the whole six contracts. So I'm gonna do it tomorrow because it's not real money right now. It's not my money. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do it and try to recoup this 4,000 so I could pass this test. But yeah, that's what's been going on. I took some light trades yesterday. They expire on Friday. I only spent around $125. So if they win, they win. If they lose, they lose. Not really risking that much money on my main Charles Schwab account. I'm really just buying and holding on that account. But I want to start trading with these prop firm accounts, so I could just have more leverage to make more money quicker. So that's what's been going on. Lately, I'm just chilling out, getting back focused on my work, so that there is money coming in to run these experiments until I'm successful. So that's what's been going on. Thanks for watching. Don't get greedy. Take it easy and study. But yeah, 690, 700. That's not a bad day. I need to practice making that type of money every day until I scale up. But I'm definitely gonna have to scale up tomorrow, the next 2 days, so I can try to pass this test. And if I don't, I'm just gonna take it over again. So yeah, that's what's going on. If you're interested in signing up for a prop firm, check out TakeProfitTrader.com. They seem to have some good deals, and their payouts, they seem to pay out a lot. I haven't got paid yet from them. I hear they take 20%, and then I think when you upgrade your account, they only take 10%. So that's not bad. You make 10,000. Give them 2,000 or 1,000. That's fine. If y'all give me the leverage to play with. So yeah, that's what's going on. Hopefully, I could get an affiliate link from them soon. So when people sign up, I can get a piece of the action. But maybe that's something that'll happen in the future. So yeah, this is my trading journal, and this is what's going on. And today, I was trading ES, by the way, SPY E-mini futures. I've advanced from options to futures trading. May trade gold tomorrow. May trade GC tomorrow. We'll see what happens.